Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. For those who don't know me, I am Renzo Colminas, and today we will be talking about the basic web design elements and principles. The first one is the point or mark. These are the smallest and most basic element, which can be used alone or as a unit in a group which form a line or shape in the image. One point here and one point here, and if you connect them both, we have a line. If you add more points like this, points here, and connect them all together, we form a circle. For the next element, we have a line. Horizontal lines are calm and quiet. Vertical lines suggest more of a potential for movement. The next element is forms. These describe volume and mass. This is an example of an object that has forms, and they could be viewed from any angle. I am aware of the angles and the edges. The next element is space. It is three-dimensional volume that can be empty or filled with objects. Space that appears three-dimensional in a two-dimensional painting is an illusion. When we talk about illusion, it is trying to give you tricks. Your eyes. Our next element is color. Color has three properties. First one is hue. GU. The primary hues are yellow, red, and blue. When you mix yellow and blue, we form green. The next property for colors is value. It refers to the lightness or darkness of hue. It said here, lightness or darkness. So, this is dark, this is light. The next property is intensity. It refers to the purity of hue, or also called chroma. The next design element is texture. It is a surface quality, both simulated and actual, of artwork. Techniques used in painting serve to show texture. For example, I'm trying to make a beach, and I'm trying to give texture to the sand, so I add dots, dots, dots. Now that we're finished with the design elements, let's now move on to the design principles. So our first design principle is balance. Balance means the sense of equilibrium. Balance places the parts of a visual in an aesthetically pleasing arrangement. Proportion means the relative size and scale of the various elements in a design. Third is perspective. How we see things, people see it in different ways. Here's an example of a picture that uses the principle perception. Principle is emphasis. Emphasis is used by artists to create dominance and focus in their work. We can use emphasis when we are trying to warn others when we make warning signs. The next principle is movement. It is the way an artist leads the eye in, around, and through a composition. We can use movement when we draw roads. We can start with a straight path and then add a curve to it. Patterns and repetition. Although pattern uses the art elements in planned or random repetition to enhance surfaces or paintings or sculptures. Repetition, on the other hand, works with pattern to make the artwork seem active. The next principle is variety. Variety provides contrast to harmony and unity. Rhythm. Rhythm is the repetition of visual movement of the elements, colors, shapes, lines, values, forms, space, and textures. Rhythm is essential. With this, we can avoid monotony. Harmony is achieved when all visual designs relate to and complement to each other. For the last principle, it is unity. It is the harmony of the whole composition. The words and the images work together to create one meaning. Alright, those were just the few basic principles of web designing. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you guys learned something. See you in my next vlog.